Assalamu alaikum. This is 12th chemistry, and our today's topic is properties of amines. Dear students, as we have already discussed the nomenclature of these amines, we have discussed the types of the amines. We have also discussed the preparation of these amines. Now, as far as the properties of these amines are concerned, the properties there are two types. We have got physical properties and we have got chemical properties. Now, as far as the physical properties of these amines are concerned, the first is their physical state and the smell. Now, the lower members of this family or these amines of these amine family, there's like we have got methyl amine, like we have got this diethyl amine, we have got ethyl amine. They are all gases at ordinary temperatures. That means at ordinary temperature these are gases, and they have got a smell like they have got ammonia like smell. These lower members, as they are gases, and they have got ammonia like this smell. Now the higher members of this homologous series, they are mostly liquids having they have got this fish smell. So lower members of this family, they are gases and they have got ammonia like smell, whereas the higher members of this homologous series, they are these are liquids and they have got this fishy smell. Then we have got the boiling points. Now, as far as these boiling points are concerned, now since you know that these amines, they are polar in nature due to the presence of polar NH bond. Now, as a result of this nitrogen atom, it develops a slight negative charge, whereas this hydrogen develops a positive charge. So, as a result of these the molecules of these amines, they undergo molecular association through hydrogen bonding. Now, with the exception of the tertiary amines, in case of tertiary amines, there is this intermolecular hydrogen bonding is not possible. Whereas in case of secondary amines and in case of primary amines, they undergo molecular association due to the formation of hydrogen bond. You can see here, this is a hydrogen bond formed between the hydrogen atom of this amine group of one, this methylamine molecule, and the nitrogen atom of other this other amine group of this methylamine molecule. So this is this dotted structure. Then this dotted line, it represents the hydrogen bond. So due to the formation of these hydrogen bonds, uh, these uh, these amine molecules, they undergo molecular this association, with the exception of these tertiary amines, because in tertiary amines we don't have got any hydrogen atom which can take part in this hydrogen bonding. Now, as a result of this, amines have got higher boiling points than the corresponding hydrocarbons of comparable molecular masses. Now you can see here, this is propane. Its molecular mass is 44 and it has got a boiling point of 231 Kelvin. Then you have got this is ethyl amine or ethylamine. It has got a molecular mass of this 45, and it has got a boiling point of 290. So it is greater than this propane. Now then you have got this acetaldehyde or ethanol. It has got a molecular mass of this 44, and its boiling point is 293 Kelvin. Now then you have got this is ethyl alcohol or ethanol. Its molecular mass is 46, and its boiling point is it is 351 Kelvin. It is more than this ethanol or acetaldehyde. Then we have got this is formic acid, or it is also called as methanoic acid, and you know that its molecular mass is 46. Now the boiling point is 374 Kelvin. The now amines have got now these since these amines have got higher these boiling pointers than the hydrocarbons of comparable these molecular masses. However, these amines have lower. You can see here they have got lower boiling pointers than those of alcohols. You can see 351 it is, whereas You can see here in case of ethylamine it is 290, or in case of this it is more in case of alcohol than in case of amine. Now the reason is that since in case of these amines have got lower boiling pointers than alcohols and these carboxylic acids. Now this is due to the reason that the OH bond in case of alcohols and carboxylic acids, the OH bond in case of alcohols and in case of carboxylic acid, it is more polar than this NH bond in case of amines. Therefore, hydrogen bonds in alcohols and carboxylic acids, they are stronger, and consequently these alcohols and these carboxylic acids, they have got a higher boiling pointers than amines. Now you can now you can see here, I have, as I have shown here, you can understand it from this, the boiling points I have shown here, and I have shown also the molecular masses. Then now in case of these isomeric, in case of these isomeric these amines, primary amines have got highest primary amines, they have got highest this boiling point due to their large tendency to form hydrogen bonds, whereas tertiary amines, they have got lowest boiling points because of their inability to form the hydrogen bonds. Now you can see here, this is a primary amine I have shown here. This is a propyl amine. It has got a boiling point of this and this 323 Kelvin. Now there are two hydrogen atoms on this amino group. You can see here, so which can participate in the in intermolecular this intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Similarly, you can have here, you can see here, this is and this is a secondary amine. Secondary amine, it is an methyl ethyl amine, or we call it as ethyl methyl amine. It has got a boiling point of this it has got a boiling point of 307 Kelvin. Then we have got this is a tertiary amine, or we call it as N dimethyl methylamine or trimethylamine. It has got a boiling point of 276. So from this you can clearly you can understand that these tertiary amines, they have got least boiling pointers than these secondary amines, while secondary amines have got less boiling pointers than primary amines. The reason I have told you that these have got a large tendency to form this hydrogen bonds. Then we have got the solubility. Now, as far as the solubility is concerned, the lower amines are soluble in water. The lower amines are soluble because they are capable of, as you know, that they are capable of forming these hydrogen bonds with water molecules. Now, how are these higher amines? They have containing, which have got carbon atoms more than six or more than six. They are insoluble in water. Now, these amines are also they are all, however, these amines, these higher members, they are readily soluble in case of these organic solvents, like we have ether, we have got benzene, we have got this alcohol. So they are soluble in case of this these higher members, they are soluble in organic solvents, while lower members, they are soluble in this water. This is due to the formation of hydrogen bonds with the water molecules. Now, as far as these aromatic amines are concerned, they are insoluble in water, but they are soluble in these organic solvents. So this is about the physical properties of these amines. And in our next this lecture, we will discuss the chemical properties of these amines. This for today. Thank you very much.